Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Masara Syami binti Walter. Today our group will talk about streamlining waste reduction and recycling initiative. In today's world, managing waste is a big issue that affects communities, economies, and the environment. Dealing with the problem caused by excessive consumption and improper disposal practice make it even more important to improve waste reduction and recycling efforts. By understanding why we generate waste and its impact, we can work towards more sustainable and responsible practice. In this discussion, we'll look at the main factors that contribute to waste and its effect, while also exploring ways to improve recycling and reduce harm to the environment. So, we will talk about the causes and effect. Firstly, I will talk about first point about causes that lack of recycling facilities will happen. This is because when there is a shortage of recycling facilities, it often leads to a situation where people choose to dispose of items as trash instead of recycling them. This happens because without convenient access to recycling options, individuals may find it more convenient or practical to discard items in regular waste bin rather than seeking out alternative recycling facilities. The lack of recycling infrastructure can contribute to increased waste and in the effort to promote environmental friendly practice. That's all about this point, my friend. We'll continue about the second point.
I want Shirajulaika to continue to talk about the cause. There are several reasons why someone may not know how to recycle properly. First, lack of knowledge can be the reason. Many people may not know what can be recycled or cannot be recycled. Understanding the recycle guidelines and knowing which material can be recycled sometimes can be confusing. If people don't know what can be recycled or how to do it properly, they are more likely to throw everything in the trash. It is important to provide education and resources to promote recycling awareness and participation. Next is economic factor. The economy of recycling can also impact the recycling rules. If the cost of recycling outweighs the benefit, it may result in weak recycling rules or limited incentive for recycling. If there are not have a strict rule or incentive to recycle, people and business might not be bothered. Therefore, it is important for the government, community and individuals to work together to address these challenges and strengthen recycling rules. Now, I will pass to my friend Nabiha to continue. Thank you.
My name is Nabiha, and another point cause of waste reduction and recycling is lack of education and awareness. In addition, lack of knowledge about improper waste management can lead to a mismanaged system and exacerbate the issue of waste education. And also, without clear guidance on how to recycle properly, individuals may be unsure about which item can be recycled and how to prepare them for recycling or where to pick up recycling. Therefore, the lack of education on waste reduction and recycling can have significant implication of environment. So it can make people quickly exposed to implications such as increased pollution and resources depletion. So, second point cause of waste reduction and recycling is language and cultural barriers. Language and cultural barriers can be significant obstacles to overcome. Besides, language barriers also give difference to contribute in misunderstandings like can influence perception of waste from stress language about the recycling practice and hinder the communications. Immigrants or individuals from different cultural backgrounds also may not be familiar with recycling norms and may require targeted education and outreach of efforts. Therefore, it will be a little difficult to convey the importance of this practice and how individuals can participate. So I will pass next slide to Aina to talk about effect of waste reduction and recycling. Thank you.
The first point of the effect is more pollution. When we don't recycle our trash, it often goes to landfill or get burned. In landfill, its product a harmful gas called methane and can contaminate the soil and water. Burning trash releases completion into the air, affecting our health and causing air pollution. Some trash also contain dangerous chemicals that can harm us and the environment. Recycling helps reduce this problem by reusing material instead of letting them become pollution. The next point of the effect about topic is wasting resources. When we don't recycle, we keep using up trees and metal to make new things. This hurts the environment because it causes pollution, uses a lot of energy, and fill up landfill. Animals and plants also suffer when we destroy their home from these resources. Recycling helps us use things again, which is better from the planet and all living things. It's like giving our resources a second chance and taking care of the each.
My name is Nurul Shazim Menti Muhammad Anwar. So the other causes is health problems. Trash can attract pests and create unsanitary conditions, leading to health issues such as asthma, birth defects, and cardiovascular disease. Also, chemicals from trash can seep into the soil and water, harming people and animals. Land and water pollution could lead to many bad consequences like climate crisis, flood, and landslides. Besides, this is improper disposal of trash can lead to extinction of many species in our life. Their habitats are disrupted by filth and toxic that could kill them in any instant. We should take serious action in controlling this problem by disposing waste according to their type to the correct place that has been provided. Okay, so the other causes is overflow of landfill. Landfill are designed to deal with waste. However, if we throw everything away when it could be recycled, the landfill will fill up and will be unable to cope with this large load. It will also create unpleasant smells and end up being toxic from all the harmful chemicals which arrive from the styrofoam, bacteria, microwaves, cleaning supplies, and other household. Making litter recycling effort helps substantially in keeping landfill sites under control. There are many ways of recycling waste according to their types and categories such as glass, paper, food waste, and many more. If we are able to practice recycling in our daily life, waste issue is not going to be a problem that will cause a lot of other bad effects to the environment and also the humans. Thank you. So next, I will pass my slide to Rose.
Hi, I'm Rose and I will continue this video with the last point, which is energy intensity. While recycling generally saves energy compared to producing new materials from raw resources, the recycling process itself can be energy intense. Transportation, sorting, processing, and remanufacturing of recyclables require energy, which may come from non-renewable sources and contribute to carbon emissions. Understanding and mitigating these effects involve adopting and promoting sustainable waste management practices. increasing recycling infrastructure, and fostering awareness to encourage responsible disposal and recycle habits in communities. In conclusion, addressing the challenges surrounding recycling, such as the lack of facilities, knowledge gaps, weak regulations, educational shortcomings, and cultural barriers, is crucial. Failure to overcome these issues leads to adverse effects including increased pollution, resource depletion, health risks, landfill overflow, and last but not least, energy intensity in the recycling process. Therefore, promoting awareness, improving infrastructure, implementing effective recycling policies, and encouraging sustainable practices are essential steps towards mitigating the negative impacts of inadequate recycling efforts. Let us commit ourselves to embracing a culture of responsible consumption and waste management, ensuring a cleaner and healthier planet for generations to come. That's all from us. Thank you.